I tried to call, would you cry? Please don't cry, you're wasting your...
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. And welcome back to the channel again. I'm gonna go... Sorry, because I'm eating some ice cream. I'm gonna go over to my parents right now because we're gonna be having a cookout. I'm gonna go over right now since my dad's at work. He asked me to help him put the grill together, so that's what I'm gonna go do right now. It is a different day as well, but I'm still gonna be doing the paddle shifters. I accidentally ordered the ones for a Mark 6 or Mark 7 actually, without me paying attention. I was just so excited, I just bought the first ones I saw, and I'm like, damn, I'm stupid as fuck for that. But the new ones are coming in today. They were supposed to be here on Tuesday, but hey, they come from Georgia for some reason. It's a 2-day delivery, so they're here already and they're out for delivery. So I'm gonna be picking those up today with my LED fog lights that I ordered. Hopefully we everything comes, the fog lights and my paddle extensions come in today before it starts raining, so I can get those installed and get some clips of it to see if you guys like it and what you guys think of the looks and stuff, because I'm actually very excited for the paddle extensions for some reason, more than my exhaust tip. So yeah, right now let me go over to my parents. I'm gonna start setting up the grill, get it all set up and everything, so later on we can, so when he gets home we can just start throwing the meat and stuff over, porque vamos a hacer una arrachera, that's what it's called, nuestra carne asada. So for those people that know about it, amazing. So yeah, let me go over to my parents' house and start setting these things up. Alright guys, so I'm here at their house already. As you can see behind me, I got the grill and the box ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing it, and I'm gonna start putting it together. Looks like it, hope it doesn't start raining sooner than I expected, because to be honest, I hate the rain. I hate it. But without further ado, let me go ahead and start unboxing this, get it ready, so when he gets home we can just start making something and start testing it out. In here, I don't know what's in here. Most likely it's gonna be the LED lights that I got for the car, so let's go ahead and open these up. Yeah, the LED lights. I don't know if it's true. It says 6,000 Kelvin or 6,000 K. Either way, it's the same thing. Sorry, she's loud as hell. So this is what they look like. You see? I mean, like I said, just for the fog lights. I just don't want my HIDs to be like white and then the other ones are yellow, and I don't like how it looks, so I had to get LEDs. I got this for like, can't remember, 9 to 12 bucks, something like that on eBay. So if you guys want some of these, I do recommend them. I've had them before on the previous Jetta that I had. So if you look at my other videos in my channel, I had a blue Jetta and I had the exact same LED lights from the exact same company as well, and I do recommend them. They lasted, and I'm pretty sure they still last longer, because I got rid of that car, so whoever has it on hopefully still has them on. Well, these are the LEDs right here, and I'm pretty sure, and these got to be the paddle extensions. So yes sir, here they are. Let me take them off the bag because I'll show you there's a difference in the other ones that I ordered by accident. And to be honest, these took 2 days to get to me. They come from Georgia. I was supposed to expect them on Tuesday the 28th, but they came in 2 days later, so here they are, which I'm excited about. So there you go, you got your positive, negative, or your plus and minus, you know, up, down, whatever, and your 3M tape. It comes with it. So these don't need any screws around them like the other ones do. So all you need is the 3M tape, looks like, which that's all that came in the back. So we're gonna go to my car right now. Let's hop on and then so I can start putting these on there, guys. All right. Since it stopped sprinkling right now, let's go ahead and start putting the LEDs on first. Alright, so that's easy, very easy to just install. So when my sister's holding the camera, she's gonna stay out here. I'll turn my headlights on and the fog light so you guys can see the difference.
Mm-hmm.
To be honest, definitely gives a better look to the car. I still have to get that other HID bulb replaced, but it definitely gives a better look to the car. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Actually, LEDs or yellow lights? I'm going LEDs. Alright, so now we're gonna install the pedal extensions. And look, I got the other ones that I ordered by accident. I just want to show you guys. I'm so dumb. Okay. The description on eBay says these are for a Mark 7 GTI/GLI or whatever has paddle shifter available on the steering wheel. So if you guys can see how those are different. These are for the Mark 5 and / first Mark 6 generations. These are for, I believe, the end of Mark 6 into the Mark 7s. That's what it was saying. I don't know, because I haven't seen the Mark 7s or 6s paddles in the back, so I don't know. But I was thinking about selling these. If not, if you guys have a Mark 7, go ahead and follow on Instagram at @TheImportzz. I'll put it in the video description, in the description below, or I'll put it in the video as well, anywhere around the screen. So go ahead and follow that. Let me know what car you got, and I'll give these away to whoever actually wants them. So go ahead and, like I said, go ahead and follow the Importzz on Instagram. I'll put in the description, and whoever's the lucky winner will get these, and I'll on the next video I make, I'll call out who's the winner, and then we'll go try to get some information there on where we're gonna ship this to. So go ahead and follow guys on Instagram, and I'll give these away. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and have push notifications on as well. You guys can get my new updates, and so you guys can get these paddles as well. But you guys have to be subscribed to my channel, and I will pick one lucky winner to get these paddles, just because I don't need them and there's no point in me having them. So yeah, go ahead guys. They do come with 3M tape as well, so they come like this, as you can see. 3M tape, and it screws, because it takes screws right here for the Mark 7. So go ahead and follow guys. Now, and by the way, this will be my first giveaway. I know it's very early in the channel, but I mean, I don't need those. I'm not gonna use them. So if anybody else wants them, go ahead and take them. mean, very self-explanatory. They're very easy to put on. Well, at least on these they are. And they actually feel way better, at least, because that way your fingers aren't trying to like stretch all the way back to the steering wheel like they were before. Now you can actually just have them perfectly and you can click them better. So that's that. I feel like they look amazing. I don't know what you guys think, but I just thought I wanted to come install them before we start eating. So alright guys, so we're gonna be finishing up the video. I got my GoPro set and ready to go, mounted in the rear. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look, where's the light? There it is. We got it ready to go. I'm gonna get out some cold start footage for you guys with the tips on. So everything sounds actually amazing with these tips on. I know they were cheap, but still, they were fucking amazing. They sound amazing too. And I'm in love with the pedal shifters. They just make it easier to shift around and everything, you know. You don't have to extend your whole fingers out and try to get the little paddles that will normally be there. Well, that are still there, but you know, with the extensions, it's just easier. So I'm gonna be switching over to the GoPro right now so you guys can get a start up on cold start, and then we're gonna drive it around, guys. Hope you guys like that little ride that I did, and hope you like those little farts and those DSG farts that it was doing. So and those little pops that I started doing at first, and then they wouldn't do it again. But Pete, my dog, she's excited because we're at my parents' house. She wants to go down. So so yeah. So I hope you guys like the video in general, and if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will be making more videos here soon with Edgar probably racing somebody as well. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff if you guys would like to support me. So so yeah, make sure you be subscribed, that way you can get these paddles as well. I'll see you guys on the next one.